All right, I am so thankful that you're going to help me with this project. My project is I want to learn more about how second graders think about their math facts when they're adding numbers. So I'm going to show you some cards and they have a math fact on them. And I just want you to tell me the answer. And then I'll probably ask you some follow-up questions about how you did it. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so, and take your time, no pressure.
It's 1
Okay. And how did you know?
because 0 is just 0. It doesn't do anything.
Okay. And I'm going to write, as you do this, I'm going to write down what you say. Okay. All right, here comes the next one.
3
Okay. And how did you know that one?
because 1 goes 1 up.
Okay. So what happens anytime you add 1 to a number?
It goes 1 higher.
Okay. Like what about 9 plus 1?
It would equal 10.
Okay. Can you do 19 plus 1?
19 plus 1 equals 20.
You got it. You got it.
5
Okay. And how did you think about that one?
because I do that question a lot.
Okay. So it's kind of one you have automatically? Yeah. Sometimes there's ones that we just know, and that's okay and good. All right. Great.
And because 3 plus 3 equals 6 and 1 less equals 5.
Ooh, that's a great strategy. Let me write that down. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 1 less. I like that one.
8.
Okay. What'd you do that time?
I counted up 2.
Ooh, can you tell me what that sounded like in your head?
I don't really know.
Okay. So how did you decide to count up 2 instead of counting up 6?
Because 6 is way higher.
Okay. So it's easier to count up by 2.
Mhm.
All right. So let's say you had a kindergarten friend who didn't know what it was like to count up by 2. Can you tell them what that would look like or sound like?
I would tell them that how to do it.
Yeah, show me. Can you show me?
Tell them like that. Do the add the 2 to 6 instead of counting up 6.
Okay. So it might sound like 6 and then 7, 8, maybe? Or does it look different when you do it?
It's the same.
Same. Okay, cool.
All right. 10.
All right, I heard you say that 5 plus 5 equals 10, and then tell me how you used that to get this one.
You just take away 1 from the 5 and then give it to the other 5 equals 6, and then that one equals 4, and then it's the same amount, just 4 plus 6.
Ooh, that really made sense to me. I like that. So it sounds like you know 2 different facts that make 10. You have this one and the 5 plus 5. Can you think of any other facts that equal 10?
No.
No, that's okay. No worries at all. All right, let's try this one.
14.
Woo, that was quick. How'd you think about that?
Because 0 just if you just like take the 0 out and replace the 4, it equals 14, and 0 is nothing.
Okay. All right. So does that work anytime you're adding a 10?
If you have 0 on the end, in the ones place, you always can add 1 number.
Okay. All right. Let me ask you some examples like that. What's 10 plus 7?
17.
Okay, I think you've got the 10, adding 10 to a number. So here come, we have just a few more.
15.
Okay, tell me how you got 15.
So 5 plus 5 equals 10, and then one more equals 11, and which is 6 plus as 5, and then one more equals 6 again, and which is 12, and then two more equals 15.
Okay. All right. And how about this one?
11.
Woo! You knew that one right away. Tell me about that.
Just like I said, 5 plus 6 equals 11.
Yeah, you kind of
Because
said
5 plus 5 equals 6. One more equals 11.
okay. Good.
$15.
How'd you do that?
I counted with my fingers.
Okay, can I see what it looked like?
It was
Ooh, say out loud what you were saying in your head.
1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. Okay, good. So you started with 9 and you counted on 6. That's really a good strategy that you have, that you start with the biggest number and then add on the smaller number. That's awesome. All right, Lana, that's all, unless there's any other ones that you know that you want to tell me. Is there any others that you want to tell me about?
No,
No, you did a really great job. Thank you.
you're welcome.